Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for your support. And if you're just seeing this video for the first time, my name is Samuel Dorcas. Here in this channel we talk about personal finance, personal growth, and unshakable faith. You're welcome guys. Okay, are you stuck with that idea that for you to make money you have to own a store? In these present days or in today's world, you don't need to have a store before you can earn money. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 smart and practical ways you can earn money without renting a store or shop. So one of the ways is selling online. That's sell online. You can pick a product that solves a problem. Like it could be foodstuff, fashion item, accessories. Pick that particular product that you know you can sell well. Take clear pictures of those products. Put it on your platform like Konga or Jumia, or even your WhatsApp. You can use your WhatsApp or Instagram to market it. Just take clear pictures of those products, put them online, you market it, or you even make videos of how those products works. You market it, then you begin to sell. From there you make one sales. From one sales it grows to 2 sales. From there, when they use your product and they find out that this product is worth the value they paid for, they will come back or they will even refer someone. So just pick a product, then you market it. Don't wait until you have money to rent a store before you can go into business. In these present days, it doesn't work like that. All you just need is your phone, your data, and your smart move. So the second one is offer a service. Yes, if you can make hair, you can teach, you can bake, or even clean, all you just need to do is just deliver this service to their comfort. You don't even this particular one, like, you need no capital, zero capital to start this one. All you just need is post what you do on your page or your status, your WhatsApp status. You can use status, your WhatsApp, your status, to market what you do. Show them what you have done, or a customer's testimony. You can show them what you have done. Let them see what you can do with your hands or the services you can render. From there, you post it online. You tell your friends to help you post your work. Before you know it, you will get offers. Some people, when they've learned one skill, the next thing they'll be like, I've not started because I've not gotten money to open a store. No, you don't need a store. All you just do is you take your skill, put it online out there. Someone will be in need of that skill. Someone will be in need of your service. Someone will be. There are people that work, they don't have time to go to the salon to make their hair. You can go to their house and make hair for them. Just fix their hair for them, and you are good. You get paid, and everybody is fine. Like me, I work Monday to Saturday. I don't have time to go to the salon, so someone comes to my house to make my hair for me. So you can do that. You don't need money to you don't need a store to start any money. In these present days, you need money. So don't be stuck with that idea that I have to open a store before I start my business. No, you'll be there. You'll be procrastinating. So start where you are. Start from where you are. From there you see growth. Then number 3, number 3 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting people's products to make commission. Just selling people's products to make commission. You just go online. It could be Amazon, partner, seller. Pick a product there that you know you can sell well, a niche or a product that is within your niche that you know you can market this product stresslessly. Product that you know. Pick a product, put it online, any social media platform that you use very well. It could be WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram. Just promote this product in the best way you can. All these things need zero capital. Trust me. All you just need is little data and your smartphone. With your smart marketing, you are good. Promote this product. When people buy, you get a commission. The higher you sell, the higher you get your commission, your money. The more you sell, rather, the more you get your money, because the more you sell, you keep getting commission. The more you sell, you keep getting. Then number 4 on the list is drop shipping. I've done that before. In this aspect, you don't even get to see the goods. You are just like a middleman. You are the middleman in this business. You don't make research. Go online, make a proper research so that you don't get scammed. Make a research. Get a supplier who sells in bulk. All you just need to do, tell the supplier to send you videos of that product, send you clear pictures of that product. All you just need to do, pick those products, put it on your WhatsApp or your Instagram page. Begin to promote them. When you get any order, what you just need to do, pick the customer's details. The customers will pay to you. You already know how much it costs, the supplier is giving you. Then you add your little profit, and you get the customer's location, where the customer is. Pick those details, send it to the suppliers. The supplier will be the one to deliver it to the customer. You see, you are not even seeing the product and money is entering your hand. There are smart ways to get money these days. You don't need a store. Don't wait for a store. I did this before. When I first got my job, when I first resigned from my first job, I started doing this drop shipping. I got the supplier from Lagos. The supplier will send me pictures of those shoes, pictures of bags, pictures of things that I know my friends or people on my WhatsApp will be interested in. Then I will post those pictures on my WhatsApp status, post them on my Facebook. And with time, I started making little sales. Before you know it, you'll be getting your own percentage. The 5th one is create and monetize content. This one might take time. Yes, this one might take time, but it's a smart way to make money. It might take time. All you just need to do, create a platform. Just create a platform. It could be YouTube, it could be Facebook. Just pick a social media platform that works for you well. You start creating content that you know your niche. Pick a niche, create content, good content. With time, you create audience. Your audience begin to grow. From there, you get sponsorship. You get ads. Like, from there, you begin to earn money from your content. You begin to earn money from your content. Like, you monetize your content and begin to earn money. Though it might take time and you have to put in effort. But with time, at least you are doing something. You are not waiting for you to have money to rent a store or to do something. Like, to rent a store, sorry. So at least you are doing something. It might take time, but just keep creating quality content. With time, your audience begin to grow, and from there you get ads. From there you get paid through ads, sponsorship. You understand? And you can even sell a product with time. When you have a large audience, you begin to sell digital products from your platform, and you make money. You make money from there. So don't wait for you to have a store before you can start a business. Don't wait. If you are waiting, time is going. You find out that 1 year has passed, the store has not come. 2 years, the store is not. It's not like just start somewhere. So don't wait for you to have a store before you say you can make money. Remove the ideas from your head. All you just need is your smartphone, your data, and you are good to go. If you find this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more money and growth tips, and drop a comment. I am ready to earn without renting a shop. Thank you. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.